Action.
Welcome to Bar Home. John L. Brown here with you. Sunday afternoon, thinking about New Orleans. A lot of great cocktails come from there. This one's called the Vieux Carre. Don't ask me to spell it for you right now. I'd prefer to actually have it in front of me, but it's obviously French. We could probably get Maddox down here, my son. He knows French, but he probably wouldn't even know how to say it in a sentence. So anyway, this is a Vieux Carre, okay? So this is a classic cocktail. You see all the ingredients that it has here. We have rye whiskey. You don't want to use bourbon or anything less than rye whiskey. This is actually one of my favorites, Old Overholt, and it's actually one of the cheapest or inexpensive rye whiskeys you can buy. I think you can get it for less than $15 at Total Wine. You get some brandy, you have some sweet vermouth. This is, one of my favorite. I always talk about Carpano Antica, and then we're going to use just a bar spoon of the Benedictine, which I always tell people it's one of the actually oldest liqueurs in the world, known recipes in the world. It's a very secret recipe. It literally does taste like, some medicine your mom would have given you when you were a kid, like Robitussin or something. But when you add it to the cocktail, it just gives it that complexity, like myself, like I'm a very complex person, right? So it just gives it that sophistication, like, oh yeah, I'm drinking a Vieux Carre. So here we go. So it's really a quite simple recipe. So it's really easy for everybody to remember. It's 1 ounce of each of the main ingredients. So 1 ounce of rye, 1 ounce of the brandy, or cognac I should say, I'm sorry, it's cognac brandy, basically the same thing, as long as it's not like apple brandy or raspberry brandy or anything like that. But there you go. Then you have your vermouth, 1 ounce of that, and then the Benedictine. So, you gotta add the medicine to it. A lot of these old cocktails anyway, when you add like a Benedictine or an Amaro, we're thought to make it, very healthy. So you just, kind of pour it over the bar spoon, and that's about it. Very, very strong, powerful flavor. I like it. I mean, you kind of get used to it after a while from being like a home bartender. We're gonna add 1 dash of Angostura, and then what, makes kind of everything New Orleans is Peychaud's. All right, it's like I butchered the name. So all you people over there that work at bars, if I butcher the name, don't just remember. I'm a home bartender. I'm not coming after your job. So 1 dash of that, and then we just pour some ice, and we're gonna stir this cocktail. There we go. So we're just gonna stir it. Stir for about 30 seconds. And then just gonna pour it in a coupe glass. Again, another very traditional glass. I don't need a rock on this one. Some people put it over a rock, but I kind of like it up. There we go. Get that in. The final touches, we're just gonna put a little lemon zest on there. There we go. And we're gonna add it to it, so let's put it right on top. There you go. The Vieux Carre. Very classic cocktail. Of course it's good. Here you go. Over and out, Bar Home.